Hello and welcome back to my channel. I know I've done a couple what I eat in days recently. This is gonna be my last one for a little bit, which I'll get into, but this one's gonna be a little bit different. So basically I'm moving out of this apartment in about a week and I still have food. Like I have a bunch of food in the pantry and the fridge, freezer, whatever, but it's all random stuff. I have not gone grocery shopping in a few days and I'm not going to let myself go grocery shopping until I move out, just because I need to use everything we have here. But that is leading to some interesting meals because I don't have like a full pantry, and then the food that I do have just sometimes doesn't go well together. But I've been making it work and I'm gonna continue making it work for the next week. So I thought I would take you along with me today and doing that because I think it's kind of fun. So yeah, I don't really know exactly what I'm making. Well, I know what I'm making for breakfast. I cannot tell you what I'm making for lunch and dinner. I have absolutely no idea. Yeah, I am going to get out everything I need for breakfast because breakfast is actually super simple and quick, and then I'll show you what I'm making. So I know I said I would show you what I was making, but I'm not really making anything because it's already made. I have this jar of overnight oats. So I have a bunch of different jars filled with stuff, and there were a few different jars that were nearly empty, so I decided to go through them and try to add everything I could into these overnight oats. So I have oats, chia seeds, hemp seeds, almonds, cashews, coconut yogurt, almond milk. I don't really know. I have this picture with everything that's on it though. This was another day when I ate the other half of this, so it's somewhere on the screen. That's everything I put in it, but I'm going to add some toppings because of course this is not enough nor a fun meal, so we're gonna make it more filling and more fun. If I can, I don't know why I can't. So I have this bag of frozen blueberries, mangoes, and strawberries. But I only want the blueberries, so I'm gonna scoop out the blueberries. Now that my hand is all purple and it looks like I got bruised, I have my blueberries in. And I'm going to add some of this granola. It is Honey Crisp apple pie granola. For some reason, I have a ton of granola. Not for some reason, I bought a lot of granola. But I have a lot that I need to use by the time I leave. So I'm gonna pour some of that on top. So yes, this is now my finished breakfast. Very simple, but very good. And I'm super excited to eat this. I will see you all for lunch, which will be interesting because I could not tell you what I'm making. So it's now lunchtime and I actually came up with something to make that I think could be really good, and that is a tofu scramble. So the tofu scramble is gonna be very, very simple. I just kind of have tofu and onions and spices. So yeah, it's not gonna have much in it, but I have some bread that I'm going to toast up, and I also don't have anything to put in the bread. Like I don't have any vegan butter. I don't have any avocado. So I'm just gonna kind of put the tofu scramble on the bread and that will make it not dry. And then I have these vegan bacon slices, which were sent to me by Veg Co. I'll link them down below, and I have never tried them. I have no idea if they're good or not, but I thought that I would try them. You know, it goes with my breakfast theme. This is what they look like. They look scarily realistic to me. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but we're gonna get started and hope it tastes good. This is all done. I'm very excited. It would be so good if I had avocado. We're gonna try this though. Okay, so final opinion on the bacon is that it's honestly not bad. I don't know if I would go out and buy it myself personally, just because there's not many like fake meats that I go buy. But also, if I wanted bacon or something, I would get this brand. I think it's pretty good. Yeah, I'm a fan of it. The one reason why I never liked bacon when I was younger is because it was always super fatty and greasy, which this one is just not at all. So I like it. Honestly, it's pretty good. This is going to be my lunch and I'll see you all for dinner. Oh wait, one more thing. I'm also gonna drink this sparkling water, orange and grapefruit. So yeah, that's lunch. See you all at dinner. I don't have any idea of what I'm making, so that'll be very fun. Okay, so it's now dinner time and I have no idea what I'm making for dinner. I wish I could say this was like a joke to make the video better, make it fit, you know, the theme of the video better, but no, I have no idea what I'm making. I have food left. Of course I have food. I have food, but it's all random weird stuff and I don't know what I can make from it. So we're gonna look together. If there's any non-vegan stuff, it's not mine, it's my roommate's. But I have this Chipotle bowl, which is like rice, beans, vegan meat. Maybe I make a burrito. I have about a quarter of an avocado and half of a tomato. I have tortillas, cilantro, and then I can spread some of this avocado ranch dip on it and some heat bitchin' sauce. It's not perfect, but I think it could make a meal. I chopped up my tomatoes, avocado, cilantro. I don't know if this is something you should be doing, but I'm going to heat up my tortilla on the electric stove. I just Googled it, if you can do that, and Google told me I can, so I'm gonna trust Google, and they're wrong and my house goes on fire. I don't know what to do. Oh, wait. I think it works. I just heat up the mix in the microwave as well. So it's either that I'm bad at rolling burritos or I always overstuff them, but I can never do it right. I mean, it works enough, maybe. Is everything gonna fall out both ends? Yes. But will it still taste good? I think so. I was right, but I was also right on the fact that I just cannot. I think it's because I put too much stuff in it. But here's dinner. I'm very excited. And then I think my roommates are gonna have a movie night tonight, so I might have some snacks. I might film that later. So yes, this is dinner and I'll see you all later tonight. Sorry, I know this was not an exciting meal. This whole video is probably not that exciting, but it's just realistically how I'm eating for the next week. So I'm just trying to find random things that I have in my pantry and fridge and finish them off. So these are the type of meals I'm left with. So sadly, this is actually the end of the video. We did not end up having the movie night that night. We're actually gonna do it tonight, but I need this video up today, so I don't have time to film it. But all we were gonna eat is like popcorn and Swedish fish and like Sour Patch Kids. I don't know, some candy and popcorn. So imagine that was in this video. Sadly, I don't get it at it, but yep, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one, which my next upcoming like bunch of videos are super fun. So I'm very excited.